Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Ram 1500. Starting right away up front. And then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on both sides. Inside, cloth interior. Center console becomes a third seat in the front. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You do have the soft cover on top that keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.